It is a pleasure to introduce Professor James J. Hodge, a leading researcher from the School of Physiology, Pharmacology, and Neuroscience at the University of Bristol, UK. Professor Hodge's journey with Drosophila began during his PhD at the University of Cambridge, studying potassium channels in the nervous system. He then took his expertise to Brandeis University in the US, where he mastered fly electrophysiology. It was during this postdoctoral work that he uncovered the role of a novel synaptic scaffolding protein called CASK in regulating a molecular memory switch for synaptic plasticity. Positioned alongside pioneering, Nobel-winning labs studying circadian rhythms, he was inspired to bridge these fields, eventually earning an EMBO fellowship to study potassium channels in fly circadian rhythms in London. In 2007, Professor Hodge established his own FLY neuroscience lab at the University of Bristol. Today, his laboratory continues to study fly clock neuron electrophysiology and mechanisms of synaptic plasticity. His cutting-edge work recently earned a prestigious BBSRC Strategic Award to study the profound effects of aging on these processes. Beyond foundational biology, his team is deeply invested in how these behaviors are impacted by drugs, neurodevelopmental conditions, and neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Down syndrome, schizophrenia, and epilepsy. A true community builder who has hosted the Genetic Society's Southwest Fly meetings for a decade, his work thrives on multidisciplinary collaborations with mathematicians, clinicians, industry partners, and patient engagement groups. Please join us in welcoming Professor James J. Hodge.